お名前とご用件をお話しください。
Please leave a message at the tone.
Thank you. Come again.
Hi, what's going on? Come on in. Please don't forget to put your slippers on.
I've put my slippers on already.
Awesome.
I don't know. Maybe the message machine no longer leaves messages.
All right, cool. Welcome to my apartment in Osaka, Japan. We're going to show you what apartments look like. So up until this point, we've been staying in hotels, but today Vance booked us our own apartment rooms, so I didn't have to listen to him snoring any longer. I don't know. What do you think? They're pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
I'm pretty pleased with it. I think if we can find this, but much larger, it would be great. So first you come in and you have your own little kitchen. Look, got a stove. They provide you with green tea bags. You got a little electric kettle, a big sink. They've got cooking utensils and supplies down here. You don't need to see that.
We don't need to see
that. Got a fridge, freezer, and a microwave. Pretty good little deal. Behind you here, when you first walk in, is a little cabinet for your guests when they come over. They could store their shoes or whatever. So you put your little slippers on. In here, we've got a toilet. This is the bathroom. And these toilets always have sinks on top of them. Here's where it gets really cool. So we have a washer, possibly washer dryer. Don't know. Haven't figured that out yet, but maybe. And then a little sink. This is your bathroom. I don't know what all this is. Dry, cool, heat fan for something. Oh wait.
Probably for the shower.
Shower. Okay, so check this shower out. It's like a whole shower room. Take off your little slippers and your clothes, and this whole thing is a shower. This room is a shower. So your shower head's right here. You got a little bathtub, but you stand right here and you shower. And there's a drain right here on the floor. And you got your soaps and shampoos over here if you want to come in here and look. What a trip. So you just shower right here. And then we've got the master bedroom. The only bedroom. With a magnetizing doorstop. Look at that. You've got closet storage here. So you can hang your leather jacket. I'm gonna put your suitcase in there so when your friends come over they don't see your suitcase. AKA Vance. And my boots are in there too. Got a nice little couch chair. And your bed. You've got a little TV. And then my desk so you can do your little work. We have a balcony.
There you go.
This is so you can pretend to be a jet fighter or a starship pilot. Rudders, give them more rudders. Rudder. Give it more rudder. Oh my god, we're so high up. That gives me the EBGBs.
Let's see what your view looks like.
It's pretty. Hello. Oh god, creeps. That's an apartment in Osaka. So yeah. And you get a clock so you always know what time it is. Because you need to know what time it is always. So if you're looking to stay in Osaka, this is what an apartment is like, and we're gonna be here for 2 nights. So I definitely would recommend you hop on the internet, contact Vance to book you an apartment because he knows how to do it. And this is more or less what you're gonna get. 50 bucks a night, not too bad at all. So welcome to Osaka. We're back. Let's go see what we're gonna get into tonight. Vance is gonna find us a place to go out and live it up tonight. So yeah. We'll see you guys in Osaka. Is it blurry? I can't tell.
No.